welcome back to another video, and I am going to be teaching you guys how to make your own homemade web shooters super easy. So, you are going to have a shoelace, two shoelaces that are thick, as you can see, thick. And you're gonna have to do one that you do not use anymore. Okay? So you can get, oh my gosh, you can get any door. Just go like this around. Can you see my hands? And you're gonna go under there, and then you're gonna go under again, and then under again. So 3 times. If you want to go 4, make it tighter. Well, okay, you can. So like that, everyone like you don't let the camera see whenever you're making the videos, and then you go like, or you can do that like this. Just go like, bam. And then the next one, you do the same thing. There, under, and under. Here we go. Tighten. Yeah. And there you have it. So, all you need to do is just pull these like this. So, or you could just lean forward and it would go down. So you start from a light door to a heavy door. This is a heavy door. So if you guys don't know, that my channel got hacked and hacked. And now that's why I'm saying, hey guys, welcome back to another video, because I'm gonna start this channel all over again. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, so whenever we upload a video, you will see it. So, like, subscribe, remember.